Here's how to log out from eFootball 2025 account. First, go to the home page of your eFootball account, and from the home page, you will see there the support icon. What you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you will be redirected on this page. Now, once you're already on this page, click on the services and information, and then you will be redirected on this page. Now, you will see there the delete user ID. So for you to be able to officially log out, you have to delete your user ID first and just go ahead and re-enter it. You don't have to worry because once you have already selected the delete user ID, you can go ahead and reclaim it once again. Or you can just go ahead and click on remove app to your device and uninstall it and install it again and use other accounts that you wanted to reclaim to your eFootball account.